What is up, YouTube? Getting ready to smoke some pork butts today. FOGO, the champion of all lump charcoal. Nice big fat butt. Oh, you can smell this. Look at that piece of meat. Oh my God. I've had this thing for 3 years. This is a Dyna-Glo wide body. My beautiful wife bought it for me. She's also filming right now. Overall, on the smoker though, it's awesome. I'll throw a couple pictures up. I've smoked 4 pork butts in here before. It's got racks on the top where you can hang sausages, whatever you want. It's got a separate firebox. FOGO, the champion of all lump charcoal. Actually, no joke, this stuff is awesome. It's premium charcoal. It does cost more. The chunks are huge though. Burns very slow. It's great for a smoker this size. You might not need it for all of them. Just look at some of the chunks you get in here. These are small for what's normal. It's all huge chunks. It's amazing. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a chimney smoker to start and get your coals nice and hot. Definitely have to use these. It's way faster and more efficient to get your coal bed working. For pork, you want to do 225 to 250. 275 is even fine. You really cannot hurt pork butt. It's one of the best things you can start with the smoke. So we're just gonna let this cook off and then we're gonna go get the pork rub done. Back at it. What? All right, so now we're gonna put the rub on the pork butt. Okay. A lot of people use mustard or olive oil or whatever. We're just gonna use olive oil. Either of it doesn't really do a whole lot. It just holds the rub to the meat. Nice big fat butt. All right, so like I said, just using some olive oil just to get the pork butt coated. Stab myself in the hand if I can. Usually I would be using nitrile gloves for this stuff so my hand isn't all over the pork. Not that it matters, but you can't buy them anywhere. It's called the one hand don't get your rub dirty. Okay, so honestly, you want to really coat the pork butt really well. You want to build a crust on it over time. It's going to get like 4 hours of smoke or so. So just nice and even all the way over. This is the fat cap on top. I always cook them fat side up because it'll melt and render down through the meat. Even though the pork butt is already very fatty, I think it still helps out. But you can do it either way. It's up to you. Dealer's choice. And the fat cap is not going to allow any smoke to get through to the meat. So really putting a bunch of rub on there doesn't make a huge difference, but we do it anyways. You do want to make sure you get it on all the sides, everywhere on this thing. And my wife is shooting right now, and she's very happy that I'm shooting pork rub all over her clean kitchen. There's your butt all rubbed up, and you can see just from the moisture how it's already soaking into the meat. We're gonna let this sit for 20 or 30 minutes. All right, here we go. We're going in. guys, see how we got it set up? This is our Wi-Fi thermostat. Tells us how hot it is inside. We have another one we can put in the meat. I don't need to do that right now. And water tray. Key to make it. That'll help even the temperatures out, and it will also steam the pork. So we're pretty much all set. You won't see it again for another 4 hours or so. These are also super handy. This is a Wi-Fi thermostat. You can do food and your barbecue. It's gonna be super low right now because I just opened the door. Sits right on the side right here, and then you can go wherever you want to, and you still know what the temperature is. So if it starts to drop or whatever starts to happen on it, you got it right in your pocket. Oh, yeah. What? So actually on the rub, I used a Weber brisket rub. You can really use anything you want. You can use brown sugar, you can use Cajun, you can do salt, pepper, garlic, whatever you like you can do. I found these little Weber rubs. They have them at Sam's Club or wherever, and they really tasty. The brown sugar one's good. We're using brisket today. You just want to make sure you get a nice even crust, nice even covering, so you can get the good crust on it. That's all, folks. Oh, and the new, God, my producer is amazing. So the new vent I put in to direct the heat down is actually messing with the airflow a little bit. I think when I get done with this cook, I'm gonna have to drill 4 to 8 holes in the top to let it breathe just a little bit more so the airflow is better. I'm gonna throw another chimney full of charcoal in it. I can get it up to 200, 225, which is okay at 225, but I wanna get it hotter today. So it'll still work fine for today, but I think we're gonna do a modification later on. Is that it? What is up? We're back. So I got the temperature leveled out. We're at 233, 235, which is perfect. Nice bed of coals going. You can see the fire. I got a couple of chunks of cherry wood in there. We're using cherry all day today. It's not as strong. It's good to start with, and a beautiful flavor on it. Check over here. Look at the airflow. It's hard to see, but you can control the air. Right here with these, I have them wide open right now, which is it's perfect. It's monitor temperature, and we got a good bed. And then see the smoke, just very light, just perfuming the meat. That's exactly what you want. You don't want really heavy smoke like a freight train coming out of here. Really light perfume. That's perfect. Exactly what you want. 4 hours later, wrap her up, and then she's in the oven. What the hell? Okay, so check this out. We got 5 hours of cherry smoke on here between 225, 240. Still gonna put a couple of holes in that duct I put in. A little bit better airflow, but it's really been burning great. Been throwing some quarter logs in there. So we're gonna take it now, take it out of here, wrap it in foil, and then throw it in the oven until it hits like a $190 or so. So you can just shred it, pull that bone right out. We're about to open up the grill. Wicked. Did you see that bark and everything? Oh my God. Wow. Just starting to rain out. We just pulled it off. Heat gloves. Wait till you see this crust. This smells amazing. What perfect timing. Oh my God. So all I'm gonna do now, wrap it in foil, maybe throw a little bit of butter in it, something like that, and then 275 in the oven until it hits temperature. Wow, look at that. All right, so now I'm gonna take the thermostat for the meat, and I'm going to make sure we check this with the Wi-Fi that we had earlier. Make sure we hit 190, 195 somewhere where we'll just shred like crazy. Pull the bone right out.
Oh, you could smell this.
So we are at 3 hours, 38 minutes in the oven. It smells stupid. Oh my God. So now we gotta let it rest for like 45 minutes, half hour. We'll see how long we can wait because we're all like drooling at the mouth to eat. You know what I mean? Hot gloves, gotta keep these on. Smells so good. I wish we had smell cams, right? What the? All right, it's ready. It's been sitting for a half hour, 195. Hopefully it's perfect. Smells amazing. Got the heat gloves on. We're gonna bring it over. Look at that. Oh my God. It's like Christmas Eve, right? Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that piece of meat. Oh my God, look at the pork. It's already coming out. Look at that. Bear claws. Oh my God, look at it. Look at it just shred. Oh my God, what is it? Look, wait, look at, ready? Look at the bone. Look at that bone. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God. So juicy. Got the smoke flavor. It's amazing. I'm gonna keep shredding this. All you people, I hope you like this video. Hold on, should I finish eating? I hope you like the video. Like, subscribe if you got any questions or anything. I'll try to help you out. This is crazy. Me and the family are gonna have some hoagies, eat some food. Oh my God, so good. Peace out.